What's up, guys and gals? Bonafide Hustler here, and I crossed 31,000 subscribers not too long ago, and I never had a 30,000 subscriber contest, and so I thought it would be really appropriate to give back to you guys. So I'm gonna have a contest, and the prize is gonna be my latest bag guide called Bags to Bucks. The main graphic you'll be seeing around is this graphic right here, and you're gonna want to be spotting this graphic because there's 3 different ways that you can win this guide. Now, even if you've bought the guide before, I still want you to listen up. First of all, let me thank you guys real quick. You know, it just seems like 5 years ago I was in my garage. I had a Kodak ZX5 tiny little camera that my friend told me to buy, and I filmed my very first YouTube video with it, and you know, I was so stoked to have 50 subscribers or even 1 comment in the first month, and then things just kind of grew and made a lot of friends through it, and business things and this and that, and it's been so much fun to be making this content. It allows me to spend a lot of time with my brother, it allows me to be able to take the camera to other destinations and film all that kind of stuff and hustle in those places, but more importantly, it allows me to connect with you guys and really spread the word of reselling, which is a lot of fun, and it just seems like a really awesome loophole in life where you don't need a boss to do it, you don't need anything to do it outside of just some money and the willpower to flip an item or 2. Honestly, here we are at 31,000 subscribers, and I'm like super pumped up to be doing this contest. Alright, so there are 3 different ways that you can win bags to bucks. Alright, 3 different ways. I have a sheet of paper down here, I'm going to read off of it. Alright, so YouTube, that's this one right here. This video that you're watching right now, this is how you enter to win a copy of Bags to Bucks. 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel. 2, I want you to leave a comment down below with the phrase, "I want to win," followed by what you like about my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell next to the subscribe button as well. It will notify you of all awesome Bonafide Hustler videos that come along, plus super special flash sales that I might have on something down the road. And if you dig my videos, please hit the like button. So that's the first avenue that you can win my bag guide for free, alright? And that is going to be YouTube. This video right here. The second place you can win my bag guide is on Instagram. That's right, I want you to follow me on Instagram, which is right here. Alright, I want you to locate the actual 31,000 subscriber graphic. I want you to comment on that post, "I want to win," plus whatever you like about my channel. Oh yeah, don't forget to double tap that post. I want you to heart my post, alright? You better heart my post. You better do it. Yeah, but that's the second place that you can win my bag guide right there. Last place you can win my bag guide, follow me on Facebook. Make sure you hit the like button on the page, like the page, follow the page, find the graphic, and make sure you put a comment on that post, "I want to win," followed by what you like about my channel. As stated earlier, plenty of people have bought my bag guide, and I want you guys to be able to enter this contest as well because I value every single subscriber that I've ever had on this channel. So if you win my bag guide and you've already purchased the bag guide, alright, so if you win it on the contest but you've already purchased it, I'm going to pay you on PayPal the cost of a full bag guide, alright, $37. That will be your prize. Doesn't matter how much you bought it for, if you got it on sale or whatever, you bought it full price, I'm paying $37 if you've already bought the bag guide. So to summarize, there are 3 different ways, 3 different avenues that you can win this bag guide, and it is an awesome bag guide. It'll teach you so much, and you see it in my videos, you see me sifting through bags and selling bags. Honestly, you guys need to have this thing. It'll lead to thousands of dollars later if you execute it properly. On Wednesday afternoon this week, I'm going to pick a winner. I'm going to be using random.org, which is a random number generator, and I'm basically going to be picking from the very top comment down to the bottom whatever random.org tells me is the winner on each of the 3 avenues that you can win this bag guide: YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So that's basically it. Guys, thank you so much for 31,000 subscribers. I mean, come on. I know in the grand scheme of thing, and like on all these YouTube channels, like millions of subscribers and this and that, or 100,000 subscribers on these different channels, and you know, while this channel is not like an unboxing channel, and it's not a tech channel, it's not a workout channel, it's not any of these things, it's a reselling channel. And you guys have helped me get to 31,000 subscribers, so thank you so much from the bottom of my Bonafide heart, my cheddar beating heart. I really thank you guys. So I wanted to give back to you guys in some special way, and this is how I'm doing it. So I'll see you guys later, and yeah, more videos to come. Thanks a lot, guys. See you later.